Woke up stiff again? Like your hips are locked and so is your energy? This flow starts from the ground up, so you can rise lighter, stronger, and more stable. Let's hit the mat. This isn't just a stretch, it's a reset button. Come to your knees, big toes touching, knees wide apart. Lower your chest down and reach your arms forward. Let your forehead rest on the mat and just breathe. You're not rushing today, you're returning. Let your hips sink toward your heels. Let the tension melt out of your spine, one vertebra at a time. I promise 1 minute here can quiet the noise in your head and loosen tension you didn't even know you were carrying. Still thinking about your to-do list? Exhale deeper. Your day hasn't started. You're starting it. Hold for 5 more seconds. And now move into the hips. Sit tall with knees bent, feet flat in front of you, just wider than hip width. Now drop your right knee towards your left foot, then the other, slow and controlled. You might feel a little stiff. That's not weakness, it's data. This move works the deep rotators of your hip capsule. It's one of the best kept secrets to unlocking your lower body mobility. I promise this move will help your hips move better and last longer. Here's a little beginner tip. Hands behind you for support. If you want a challenge, sit tall and don't let your hands touch the ground. Feel the heat yet? Let's take that fire and drive it up. Come to a kneeling position, knees under hips, toes tucked. Now squeeze your glutes to drive your hips forward, then lower back down. You're not just moving, you're waking up your glutes and stabilizers. This movement builds strength and mobility. And the more control you build here, the better every step, lift, or lunge will feel. I promise this simple move will change the way your hips support you all day long. Halfway through, can you move a little slower on the way up? Do you feel your glutes firing yet? If not, squeeze tighter. Now let's hit the floor and lock in that power. Lie on your back, feet flat, knees bent. Now raise one leg off the ground. Drive through the planted heel and lift your hips. Hold, lower, switch. Alternate for 1 minute, smooth, steady, strong. This is about control, not speed. I promise this move builds bulletproof glutes and strengthens your back without loading your spine. Beginners, keep both feet down for a regular bridge. Advanced stretches, add a pause at the top of each rep. Five more seconds. Can you slow it down and lock in that final rep? That just powered up your posterior chain. Now let's give your hips the stretch they've earned. Sit tall, bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall out wide. Grab your feet, lengthen your spine, and gently fold forward. This is your release. Let the tension flow out of your inner thighs and groin. This isn't just about mobility. It's about emotional release too. I promise, the more you let go here, the lighter you'll feel when you stand. Here's your final challenge. Can you hold 1 inch deeper in the last 10 seconds? Don't force it. Just breathe into the edge. You did it.